Welcome to Run Deal. Today I'm gonna review this wall lights. It's great product that I got for my walls from outside. Looks amazing. Comes two of them, so you can put each side the doors. So it's great. Looks amazing. Super well made. Super easy to install, is waterproof, rust proof, snow proof, so it's great. You don't have you just install and that's it. Here's the sensor button. It goes, it is turn it on at night and turn it off at day, so you save more energy, so it's great. And that's it. It's a great product. I recommend it. Looks amazing. I choose this shape and color because I like it, but you have a lot of choice, different shapes, different colors, so it's great. And that's it. I recommend it. I hope you like it. Bye.